Baliktad yan.
That's a nice one, Mom.
Huwag baliktad!
Ma-excite niya, siyempre ka naman.
Are you looking at what's on your shirt? You're not even looking at what's on your shirt.
That's the one she wearing a while ago and then she just changed it.
Thank you, Lorraine.
Look at it. Wow.
I think that's good for RJ.
Oh, no, nanan.
Here.
No. I don't know.
No. It's not yours.
Later.
Yung cake, lele yun yung pancake ko naman.
Train.
Rasya, ya.
There, one more.
Okay, the one at the bottom.
No, those are empty.
Those are empty already. That one.
And this one also.
Yeah, the one
That one
he's
also.
wearing.
Just take a picture of that one also.
The one he's wearing. That's from Arthurine.
Stop it. Who's it from? Why are you like that?
Uncle Daniel and Uncle Miracle is reading. Thank you.
Hey!
Yahoo!
Dear Kyle, happy birthday.
Open it.
Maybe there's something very, very big in there.
That's all there is. That's it.
Just
Maybe it's foldable.
Plastic there. Oh, it's empty?
It's just paper.
Oh, the. Oh, wow!
Dang, you're close to?
O, para kang mapag-aral ka niyan.
I seen that movie. I seen that movie.
Which one? What else?
Yeah?
Ow, ow, ow. Oh,
you have a
Sonic
lemon?
t-shirt. Ow.
Do you like Sonic?
Yeah, I like Sonic, especially when I play Sonic.
Sam,
Oh yeah, let me see it.
Sam, look at it, Sam.